Hello friends, today we will make a cute little baby elephant using shapes. What is a baby elephant called? Yes, it's called a calf. Let's get started. First, draw a circle like this. This will be the elephant's body. Next, draw another circle on top of the existing circle to represent the elephant's head. Let's draw the ear using another circle. Draw the second ear to using circle. Let's give some final touches to the ear. Draw a circle inside the circle as shown here. Good going, kids! Isn't it easy? Now let's add circles to make eyes for our elephant. Draw simple lines to represent the hair of the elephant. Let's add the nose of the elephant. It's called trunk. Here we make use of rectangles to make the trunk. Let's give it some final touches by adding a heart at the end. Let's add the tusks of the elephant. This is made using triangle. Time to add the leg of the elephant. This is made using rectangle. Add two rectangles to make legs. Let's give the toes to the elephant, which is made using ovals. Add them one by one to the leg. We have almost reached the final portion. Let's give the elephant a tail. This tail is made of a rectangle and a triangle. Wow, our cute elephant is ready. Kids, do try to make one by yourself. You can improve by adding more features and changing the colors. If you like such content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.